What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of the Driving Professor. For those of you who are actually new to the channel, please comment, like, subscribe. And in this channel, we actually break down different crashes and we explain how to actually prevent this type of stuff from happening to you. And what can we actually do to basically the same thing, just prevent stuff, prevent accidents. I've been doing this for about 21 and a half years. We're driving tractor trailers, buses in that time frame. Over 2 million miles driven and zero preventable accidents, which is astonishing. Not to be arrogant and cocky, but it's really hard to actually pull that stuff off. But if you follow the defensive principles that I actually lay out for you, you can minimize your chances of actually getting into an accident by at least 95 to 98%. Unless somebody just like pretty much hits you from the back, which for the most part you really have no control over, then there's nothing you really can do about that. All right, so this one is coming out of New Haven, Connecticut right here. This involves a transit bus, which is what I drive, and we're gonna see. It looks like what a T-bone accident in the intersection, and let's check it out. Let's see, New Haven bus accidents. This puppy here. Full screen, and this comes from this is actually from their news network, from Channel 8. So let's see what happens. So he's driving along. It would be good if we can actually see the bus driver and see his actions, though. So I think intersection is actually coming up here. Yeah, so definitely again at the intersections, especially if you're driving a bus. I know they teach us to try to go through these intersections as slow as possible. Don't speed through them, or cover your brakes. And me personally, I just take a sneak peek, a quick look, and it just takes me a couple of seconds because I do this all the time. But definitely just look real quick and just look and judge the speed of the vehicle that's coming, on the side streets right there. They look like that person was doing maybe 35, probably like 50 to 60 something miles an hour. Especially now during this whole this COVID thing, man, people's losing their damn minds driving, man. It's getting ridiculous. The amount of people that's being killed on the streets right now is insane. So it takes a couple of seconds. It doesn't take minutes. You don't got to slow the bus down or the car down entirely at the intersection, but definitely just covering your brakes. So it looks like that bus was doing maybe about 25 miles an hour. Let's try to get it down to 15 something miles an hour, and judge the actual cars that are coming. It could be a bicyclist too, because sometimes you get a bicyclist or a moped that they don't believe in stop signs, and they don't believe in traffic lights or anything like that. So you definitely gotta be, especially here you have people standing up. We don't want nobody falling and getting hurt, and then somebody here can easily get killed. They can hit their head on the pole. Sometimes you get elderly citizens, senior citizens actually standing up. They can fall and actually hit their head and get killed very, very easily on this. All right, so that will definitely wrap this up. Check out like I said, watch those intersections. If you're doing 25, get it down to 20, 15, cover your brakes. This way, if you do get T-boned, you still have your foot is that does happen, that turns into a vehicular manslaughter case. And you're looking at 7 years to 15 years in prison over stupid nonsense like slowing down, not being in a hurry. Thank you guys and gals for watching this. Please like, comment, subscribe, share it. Let's save some lives out here.